Welcome to the step-by-step guide for converting your members Mark Rustic Ledge 5B propane gas island grill to natural gas. Let's get started. Important. Always wear protective gloves during the process and make sure all gas connection is disconnected before conversion process. Remove the crossfire box and main burners. Use the tool to remove the propane orifices from all main burners. Install the crossfire box and main burners back in place. Important. Please make sure the burners are correctly inserted into the valves. Use a screwdriver to remove the LED backlit panel for access to the valve. Using the tool from the kit, twist the valve to the end. Open the door under the griddle. Use the wrench to disconnect the hose on the griddle valve. Remove the LED light wire. Remove the griddle burner knob. Remove the two screws attaching on the griddle valve. Remove the griddle valve. Install the natural gas griddle valve from the kit. Safety notice. Please make sure the valve is properly inserted into the burner. Attach the two screws. Connect the hose back in place using the wrench to tighten it up to avoid leakage. Reconnect the wire. Put the knob back in place. Remove the screws attaching the grill to the island bench. Slightly pull the grill out. Remove the propane regulator hose. Install the natural gas hose from the kit, and tighten with wrench. Connect the hose onto the natural gas regulator. Connect the hose on the other side of the regulator. Please see the arrow direction for the correct connection. Push the grill back in place. Remove the grill lid and place it safely aside. Disconnect the wire for the grill lights and unscrew the 3 screws holding the light bracket in place. Use a screwdriver to remove the windshield panel and grill lights panel for access to the valve. Remove the propane orifice and replace with the natural gas orifice. Put everything back in place to complete the conversion process. Your grill is now ready to fire up. Enjoy the convenience and power of natural gas.